that come with time.
Leader Rakkam Sangma has suggested that the Meghalaya government establish hotels along the Assam border to serve beef following Assam's ban on beef consumption in public places. He proposed the idea as a business opportunity for entrepreneurs. Sangma criticized Assam's decision, questioning its potential impact on religious sentiments and emphasized India's unity in diversity.
Have a unity in diversity, have a different color of community, the religion, the tribes, right? For last 75 years, we are binded together with the good beauty of our sovereignty, of our tradition, of our constitution. I think we miss a great and mature leaders. I think with that kind of statement, with that kind of saying so, ban of beef here and there, so it really bring down the standard of our great nation. So India is known for the beauty and diversity in our binding together. But this kind of things brings down the standard of our quality nation like India. So I think now we are a global community, so we should live up to that standard. So I think, as I've rightly said, yes,